Welcome back to allthingsproduction.com. I'm Jeremy Howard, and today I am going to hopefully be able to take some of the mystery out of Ableton Live's session view. One of the most overlooked features of Ableton Live software, and what I feel is probably the feature that sets this apart from any other DAW that we have out there. And I look at session view as like a canvas for a painter or an artist that has unlimited amount of little canvases right in front of them, and is able to put down on the canvas whatever brush strokes, whatever color, whatever thoughts come to his mind, and have all these little canvases in front of him, and be able to kind of rearrange and pick and match from those thoughts and those ideas that he's put down, and have, say, them linked to one larger canvas that is able to collect those ideas as he selects and pushes and kind of has fun with the ideas that he's already put on the canvas, and create something special and original from all of those ideas. That's kind of like what I think session view is like. It allows you to get a bunch of ideas in one spot and select those ideas and have fun with those ideas, and not only just have fun and mess around with it, be able to record that into the actual arrangement view into Ableton Live, and then continue the production from then on. So let me launch something here. All right, let's see if this works here. Tab, cool. Okay, so session view. First of all, each track here, of course, contains the clips, as you guys may be already aware of, in session view, and each clip can be and hold independent information of each other, different information with each clip, relative only to that clip. And across the top here, each clip, say in this scene number 1, can either be triggered independently on its own or in a group by selecting the scene launch over here. So some things I like to do when instructing students or people learning Ableton Live for the first time in session view is to kind of look at it like this. Many ways you can look at it, but this is just one way to kind of wrap your head around it. Scene number 1, Command R will allow you to rename. I'm going to name this intro. I'm going to press tab, say verse, tab, chorus, tab, bridge, for instance. So say I'm going to build something that's going to allow me to actually launch these scenes in an intro, a verse, a chorus, a bridge, and maybe all kind of other ideas. But however, just to kind of grasp your head around how you can use session view and record what you do into the arrangement view, which is pretty much what most people are used to seeing in a DAW, is linear left to right in the arrangement view. However, let's stay here for most of the time. This is where the magic happens. So real quick, I'm just going to search. Let's do back, beat, room, and pulse. I'm just going to grab some basic things here. Let's see where my controller is. Cool. Backbeat, room. Let's grab maybe a bass for this channel. And here's just a way to get some ideas. Let's find out where. Quantization, 16th note, for instance. Okay. So, session view, a quick way to look at session view and to understand session view, and here it goes. So I just recorded something into a clip here. Should be pretty close to the grid values. Cool. All right, so say I want to intro like this. Let's check this out for a second. Cool. All right, so I'm just going to duplicate this, Command D. Let's overdub a snare onto this guy here. So I'm going to use the session record button and overdub a snare. Let's go back. a little bit of carry over here. Let's delete that guy. Cool. I'm going to do Command D again. Let's add a kick to this guy. Again, session overdub. Cool. So 3 ideas. So let's go to the hip hop sub bass and let's go back to this guy. And so little sub bass going on here. And let's do one here too. So just for instance, okay? So once you get some ideas here, basic intro layout, maybe the verse, chorus, blah, 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 other ideas that can just be triggered whenever, then let's do stop all. The arrangement view is where we can record these ideas into. For instance, anything I do, triggering clips, moving faders, any movement, anything gets recorded as either the clip itself being recorded, the information, the automation, all of this stuff. So we're going to hit the record button here and check it out. We'll do a 4-bar intro. And again, everything is being recorded here. So, just a few things. As you see, the automation's been captured on the actual drum kit. And to listen to your performance, you tab back to the arrangement. Just going to go ahead and hit stop. And this is what we've got. And the automation we recorded earlier. So as you see, session view, look at it as a way to get many ideas as you want. If you're lost for, where to start, go through, the instruments, pick out something you've never used before, some type of sound you've never used before, throw it on there, create you a little intro, little verse, get some ideas, and then just start messing around. And as you click different clips and do different automation, just hit the record button and record your performance back here and see what happens. You can always tighten this up later. Okay, so allthingsproduction.com. If you have not registered, please go there and register, post your questions, your comments. If you need help understanding anything, ask for help. We'll post a video of how to get that done for you. And we look forward to seeing you guys on allthingsproduction.com. Until next time.